how to set up GIFs on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can set up GIFs on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have noticed that sometimes when you open the Instagram app and maybe you just go to a specific reel, so I have actually saved a reel to show you guys. If I go here and then if I just select a random reel, let's say, sometimes you would be able to find such options over here known as send gift or anything as such. So right here on this reel you can say send gift option. And let's just say that you are also a creator on Instagram, you also post reels and you also want to set up gifts so that other people can send you gifts. Now there are some eligibility criteria because not all the reels are going to have this, because if I show you some other reels you can say this one doesn't have send gifts. If I show you other ones here, those ones don't have, but why does this creator has the option to receive gifts? Well, if we go to the profile, you can see many of the notable differences. First is that their account is a business account, which is a shop account, as you can see the view shop option, which means that if you want to set up gifts you need to have a creator or professional account. The other is it's not mandatory, but you can see that this person's account is actually verified, so if your account can also get verified you can try to go ahead and do that. Other is they post engaging content, so Instagram automatically views an account as eligibility once they notice some kind of more engagement coming in from those accounts. If your account is blank and empty you will not be able to set up gifts. And after you've done that, if you want to set up gifts you would have to come to the profile page, tap the three lines option here, you'll find the option to set up gifts over here, or you would have to go to settings and set them up manually. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.